Here I have HONOR X7A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Talkback feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the accessibility features section, then go to the accessibility and then to the Talkback. So here you can enable it, and after you tap OK, Talkback tutorial starts immediately and it starts talking like non-stop. Okay,
Talkback on 12:11 p.m. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback, page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn Talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When Talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. Accessibility. Ringtone volume set
so
to
basically
100%.
Talkback is a
Talkback
mode.
has been updated.
Please
Tap to
tell
find
me,
out more.
give me a word, okay. So basically this mode is made for people with blindness or some other visual problems who can't like see really text on the screen, and it works the way that it speaks out loud, like stuff you tap on the screen. For example, I tap on close and it got spoken out loud. When you're in the Talkback mode, the only way you can operate is you select something and then double tap anywhere on the screen in order to confirm this action.
You can come back to it any.
So you tap close
button. Double tap to activate.
and then double tap.
Talkback. Navigate.
So for example, you tap
on,
double tap,
switch.
double
Stop
tap,
Talkback.
stop, okay, yes, please stop.
Talkback off.
So yeah, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.